With a range of up to 810 kilometers on a single charge, the EX60 is optimized for efficiency. And it all begins here, in Gothenburg.
For the EX60, we completely changed how we build our cars, refining and optimizing every stage of production. With mega casting, we use high-pressure aluminum casting to form large body sections in a single operation. Traditionally, one section of a car could mean 100 separate parts, each with its own supply chain, tooling and waste. But with the EX60, all of that complexity is replaced by this, one single component, making the whole car lighter, simpler and more efficient.
But megacasting is just the beginning. The EX60 introduces cell-to-body technology, another leap forward in how we build our cars.
Unlike typical EVs with heavy, bulky battery packs, the EX60 battery cells are integrated directly into the body of the vehicle. Essentially, the battery pack becomes the floor of the vehicle, which gives great advantages in weight and packaging efficiency, boosting both range and performance. It also opens up more cabin space.
Crucially, both megacasting and cell-to-body technology help to reduce weight, and that means more range for the car. These integrations are just two examples of our relentless optimization across every system in the EX60, which enables us to offer our most efficient and fastest charging, fully electric Volvo yet.